Let's see. Miguel asked a question. I need something to be understand better, but you can answer it later, brother. When looking for videos and channel, is channel not older than 8 months and more than 200 subs and videos have 100K, or channel can be old but video is 8 months old having over 100K? So I'm not sure exactly what you mean, but I think what I always use as like a verification method to check if it's smart to get in a specific niche is that if you find the topic that you want to get into, to search for this topic on YouTube search bar, and then see if there's a lot of new channels that started in less like 6 to 8 months that have over like 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 views, while their subs are only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000. This usually indicates that it's a market that has very high potential. I think that's what you're asking about, right, Miguel? So the channel can be old, but video is 8 months. Sorry?
Yeah, that's I needed. Yeah, that's the answer I'm looking for. Because I thought it can be an older channel as well, but the video is less than 6 months or 8 months old, having over 100 views. But new channels with little bit subscribers but having more views on the video. Okay, now it's clear. Yeah.
So basically, Miguel, what it means is, let's say you find a channel around the sports like NBA, just for the sake of the example, right? And you're like, okay, I want to do a channel in this niche. What I then would recommend you do is look at what search terms they use or what the channel topic is and look that up in the YouTube search bar. And then see how many different channels you can find that started in the last 6 to 8 months. And then also see if those channels have videos that get over like 50,000 views, 100,000 views. Just way more views than they have subscribers, you know? Because this just indicates that it's a very popular topic that is maybe high in demand right now, but it doesn't have a big supply of other channels doing it. And that is basically what you want to do with your niche. There is a specific demand on YouTube. So the demand is the people that wanting to watch this topic. And then there's the supply. The supply is the amount of channels in this niche making videos around this topic. If you find a niche that is very high in demand, but low in supply, that is where you can easily break through the algorithm because there isn't too much competition yet. And this way you can grow your channel really quick. So the whole game of YouTube automation is actually finding these niches that are high in demand and low in supply. And it can fluctuate too, you know, like there is just specific times, like the last 2 or 3 months, this like police body cams, for example, got super popular. So hundreds of people found out about this niche because some bigger influencers were talking about it. And then the demand is super high, but the supply raises because so many people start the same channel in the same niche. But maybe in 6 months or 12 months, all these channels die again because only a couple of them survive. And then you can step into that niche again because the supply is down again, but maybe the demand is still there. And this way, you got to always try keeping to be on the lookout for new channels that you can potentially get started into. That is basically the whole game of this whole niche research thing.